Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do reset app preferences in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to apps. Go to apps and here select three vertical dots and click on reset app preferences and this will give you alert like that this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, permissions restrictions, and click on reset. And yes, app preferences have been reset now. So in this way you can easily do a reset for app preferences on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.